Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends the time you are going to see this video. Today we are going to be talking about miracle leaf. Why I'm repeating this video is because of the question I've been having with the previous videos I did talk about miracle leaf, how you can use it for heart palpitation, high blood pressure, stress, or maybe you got battling with heart disease. I was talking about miracle leaf, how you can watch, smash, boil, and then add natural honey into 1 teacup of boiled miracle leaf. Take it every morning and night for heart problem, for heart palpitation, for stress, or maybe for high blood pressure. So those questions make me to do this video because I said watch the video from the beginning to the end, but you watch half, and then you ask a question in the comment section. How can you use it? So how can you use it? When you harvest early morning, 6 a.m., 3 to 4, 5 leaves can go with 1 liters of water. Watch, smash into a fine paste, cook about 10 to 15 minutes. Drink a teacup with 1 tablespoon of natural honey for stress, for high blood pressure, for heart problem. Try this therapy with miracle leaf. You are going to call me to thank me later. If you want to know more about miracle leaf, there is our website on the screen, on the left side on the screen, www.repamgh.com. Check on that website. You will know more about miracle leaf and other African indigenous plant that you can find around your locality, how to grow them, how to cultivate them, how to use them. Check on our website or check on the link below on the comment section of this video. You are going to see our YouTube channel. Subscribe to all our social media and drop a comment below where you are watching from.